Hello everyone, we are Group 1 and today we are going to bake chocolate brownies.
Here are the ingredients.
1 and 1/2 cup of sugar,
6 whole eggs,
1 and 1/2 cup oil, 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla,
1 and 1/2 cup of flour,
5 tablespoons cocoa powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon of baking powder.
So you need to put the sugar in the mixing bowl. We're going to put some cooking oil. The vanilla extract.
We're gonna put some egg in the mixing bowl.
We're going to mix all the wet ingredients.
And now we're going to combine all the dry ingredients. First, let's start with sifting the flour.
The cocoa powder. We're going to put some salt and baking powder. We're going to mix it.
Now we're going to pour the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients.
We're going to transfer the batter into the baking pan. Bake this for 25 to 30 minutes.
The brownies are cooked already.
Let's start with melted chocolate.
Sprinkles, but this is only optional.
That is how you bake chocolate brownies.
Please like and subscribe to Ma'am Celine's YouTube channel.